Isn't the marquee absolutely dazzling tonight?
It is rather spectacular. I hear the picture is marvellous.
This Darjeeling is simply splendid today, isn't it?
Indeed. The lemon curd is quite perfect.
The orchestra plays divinely tonight. Indeed, a most enchanting melody.
Votes for women! Votes for women!
Isn't this simply marvellous?
Indeed it is. Hold on tight.
What a perfectly splendid day for the pier.
Indeed. The sea air is invigorating.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be.
Right this way, sir. Mind the step.
Thank you, my good man. Much obliged.
Hooray! The war is over! Long live England! Hooray! Hooray!
Votes for women! Votes for women! We have won!
That's Charleston all night long.
What do we want?
Better wages!
When do we want them?
You are far too kind, I assure you.
Oh, that is simply marvellous. Pass the sugar, won't you?
Sell! 20,000 shell at 3!
What's the price on Harper's?
It's dropping! Get out now! 5,000
Think we'll get seen today. Doubt it. We just keep waiting.
Good evening. The Prime Minister addressed the Assembly today regarding the ongoing economic situation and the need for fiscal prudence.
Can you believe he would give up the throne for her? It's simply unprecedented.
But what does this mean for the king and the succession?
Check this out. It's the new Small Faces single.
Oh, that's brilliant.
This is the point of attack, sir. We must commit the reserves now.
If we commit them now, they will be exposed on the flank. It's too great a gamble.
For he's a jolly good fellow, which nobody can deny.
Everything sounds splendid, Mr. Thompson. You'll be back on your feet in no time, thanks to the new service.
We finally made it to England.
Look at that sunshine. It's lovely. A new start for us.
To the Queen! A toast to the Queen!
Well, shake it up, baby, now. Twist and shout. We got the rhythm and we're jumping about.
Read all about it. Fresh papers. Get your Evening Standard.
With the new automatic washer and this spacious refrigerator, I have so much more time for myself.
What advantages?
We must face these challenges together.
as one community, regardless of where we hail from. I concur.
Oh, do look at the sheep over there.
It truly is a marvellous view, isn't it?
Well, shake it up, baby, now. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby, now. Work it on out.
That's one small step for man.
He's done it!
Cheers to Apollo!
You simply must try one of the scones. They are still warm.
Oh, I couldn't possibly resist. They look rather splendid.
That'll be threepence for the bag, missus.
There you are. Are these cabbages fresh today?
I picked this morning.
A bit of room in the shoulder, perhaps. We'll soon have you looking smart.
Got my suede shoes on and I'm ready to go. We're gonna rock this cafe all night long.
Yeah! Spin around.
Steady on with that panel. Watch the alignment.
Nearly there, Governor.
Hammer's ready when you are.
Everything appears to be in order. Welcome to Britain.
Thank you very much, sir.
Isn't this marvellous, Margaret? I can actually see the sky today.
It is quite splendid, John. The air smells much cleaner now, isn't it?
John Paul, George Ringo. John Paul.
Oh, look at that view! Isn't this brilliant? Oh, look at that absolutely smashing dress.
It's brilliant, isn't it? Carnaby Street is simply the place to be.
Keep the line moving, friends. Stay peaceful.
Peace now. We want peace now.
That sounds great, Barry.
Yeah, really mellow.
Who wants more fruit?
They're the new decimal coins, madam. Much simpler once you get used to them.
They seem awfully small compared to the shillings.
It's progress gone mad, I tell you.
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Cheers to the Yanks.
We want equal pay. We want it now. Solidarity forever.
The rockers are nowhere to be seen today.
Good, keeps the beach tidy.
This turnout is much better than Margate last year.
It's social engineering, pure and simple. We're sacrificing academic rigour.
But surely giving every child the same opportunity can only raise the standard.
You handle the steps splendidly, my dear. It's this marvelous music, isn't it?
That was absolutely spiffing.